Imagine driving into the wilderness without giving up the comfort of a 5-star luxury hotel. The 2026 Mack 626 Motorhome is built to do exactly that. This incredible machine combines the legendary toughness of a Mack heavy-duty truck with the elegance and sophistication of a premium motorhome. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures, exploring remote mountain trails, or simply looking for the ultimate luxury home on wheels, this giant is designed to impress from every angle. Stay with us because this motorhome packs features that most luxury RVs can only dream about. At first glance, the massive stance immediately commands attention. The bold Mack front grille, signature LED lighting, muscular bumper, and towering ride height create an unmistakable road presence. The 6-wheel drive configuration isn't just for show. It allows this luxury motorhome to travel across rough terrain, muddy trails, snowy roads, and rocky landscapes with confidence. Heavy-duty off-road tires, reinforced suspension, skid protection, and high ground clearance make it ready for destinations where ordinary RVs simply cannot go. Every detail of the exterior has been carefully designed to balance rugged durability with premium styling, making it look equally at home in a luxury campground or deep in the wilderness. Step inside, and the transformation is remarkable. The rugged exterior gives way to an incredibly refined living space that feels more like a modern luxury apartment than a vehicle. Premium leather seating, handcrafted wood finishes, soft ambient lighting, and panoramic windows create an inviting atmosphere. The spacious living area offers comfortable reclining sofas, a large smart television, and a premium surround sound system for entertainment after a long day of travel. The kitchen is equally impressive, featuring stone countertops, high-end appliances, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooking sources, and plenty of storage for extended adventures. Whether preparing a quick breakfast or a gourmet dinner, everything is designed for convenience and luxury. The master bedroom provides a peaceful retreat with a king-size bed, elegant cabinetry, generous wardrobe space, and large windows, and allow you to wake up to breathtaking scenery. The bathroom rivals many upscale homes, offering a spacious walk-in shower, luxury fixtures, premium materials, and excellent storage. Advanced climate control, smart lighting systems, solar power integration, satellite connectivity, and high-speed internet capabilities ensure you remain comfortable and connected wherever your journey takes you. Powering this extraordinary motorhome is a heavy-duty Mack diesel engine engineered for reliability and long-distance performance. While official performance figures have not yet been fully confirmed, industry expectations suggest exceptional torque, making steep climbs and challenging terrain feel effortless. The advanced 6-wheel drive system continuously distributes power to maximize traction, while adaptive suspension helps deliver a surprisingly smooth ride despite the vehicle's enormous size. Modern driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, multiple camera views, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and advanced braking systems help make driving this giant both safer and more manageable. Fuel efficiency may not be the primary focus for a vehicle of this size, but advanced engine technology is expected to optimize performance while keeping operating costs as reasonable as possible for a heavy-duty luxury motorhome. Large freshwater tanks, expanded fuel capacity, powerful generators, and optional solar energy systems make extended off-grid adventures more practical than ever before. Although Mack has not officially announced pricing, experts expect the 2026 Mack 66 motorhome to start well above the premium luxury RV segment, with highly customized models potentially reaching well into the 7-figure range depending on equipment and personalization. For buyers seeking unmatched capability, extreme luxury, and true expedition readiness, this motorhome represents one of the most impressive vehicles ever created. Would you choose this incredible rolling mansion for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more amazing automotive content.